Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from the anime series which was aired in year 2002, and I believe I'm still on high school years that year. Anyway, it was released or aired in 2002 and was created and directed by Yutaka Izuguchi, and this is the Rahxephon. And I have here the Moderoid model kit for the kit itself, and this is the Rahxephon. So the kit and title itself, Rahxephon. So this model kit is an attempt, or the anime of this model kit, where it belongs to, is an attempt to recreate the previous anime during the 70s, the Brave Riding. And this has nothing to do with the Neon Genesis Evangelion, although as I researched and watched from the previous bloggers, that they said that Rahxephon and Neon Genesis Evangelion has the same concept or story setting, something like that. But unfortunately, I didn't even watch a single episode of this Rahxephon, so I got an interest of watching that when I started to buy this kit. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Rahxephon from Moderoid Good Smile Company has to offer us. So check this out, see what's inside. Los kits fangen wir an Moderoid Rahxephon. And so this is the box of the Moderoid Rahxephon, and we can see here the title or the name of the kit, which is Rahxephon from Good Smile Company, and there's this approval sticker from Kadokawa, and Good Smile logo, and the Moderoid model kit brand, and the Rahxephon title logo. And we can see here the bizarre looking Rahxephon, where it looks like, to be honest, he looks like the brave, or the facial expression of this kit looks like the Brave series, and the I forgot that Moderoid kit also, the anyway, let's remember it later. And I really like the wings, how this wings emerges from its head, instead of for example, the Gundams had their V-fins. This kit, or this model, has its wings on the head, which is very nice, very unique looking. And there's the silhouette of the kit that resembles or recreates some of the Brave Riding silhouette, which is the head part. It looks like the Riding Mecha from the 1970s. And this girl, I'm sorry, I forgot the name of this girl. This is it's like the spirit, or personification, or the spirit of the Rahxephon that usually shows up with the main character and the pilot of the Rahxephon itself. So it's like the thought or the spirit of Rahxephon. And so much for that. Let's check the side of the box. We have the Rahxephon name there, also here, Rahxephon. And behind the box, we can see the front view, this majestic pose here. It's like the angel of the Lord coming down from heaven, something like that. And there we got to see the front view and the rear view, and he has this spirit, or this laser bow and arrow, and this laser or the beam sword that emerges in the forearm. And we have this gimmick that Rahxephon has an option to close his face using the wings, and during the battle mode he can open the wings and expose his face. We have several facial expressions here, and as I said, there's this face like the Brave Ridings and the Brave series anime facial expression there. And there we have the figure for this lady. I forgot the name. Please comment it in the comment section. And there, it's the box. And if we open the box, we can see here the instruction manual. And we have this water slide decals for the figure, the female figure included. And there we got this instruction manual. There we can see same as the box art features. There we got the water slide decals for the eyes of this character, which I don't have plan on building because I don't like it. And there, the parts list, we can see this yellow shades, which indicates a pre-painted portion of the kit. Again, the traditional Moderoid style of printing manuals. It's colored and it's very nice, which I really appreciate. And judging the way or how the build is done, this is an easy build to do. So it has or it doesn't have any complicated mechanisms included in this kit. So this is a beginner-friendly model kit. So let's go to the parts. We got this optional or the various hands, interchangeable hand sets here. We got this a white claw here, and I'm not planning to use any of this on my kit because I will replace it with the Darwin 100 hands eventually. Then we got this white parts here. We got this brown parts for the inner frame, another white parts for the outer armor pieces. Got this blue parts for the torso. We got this goldish plates for the armor pieces, blue parts, and some brown parts again for the inner frames. And I can say that Rahxephon has a color scheme from the main Gundam characters or main Gundam units. And we got this iconic angel wings here that covers its face, and there we got several facial parts here with different facial expression, which is very nice, very unique. And there we got this white parts again for the armor pieces, brown parts for the joint parts, and another white part for the character, the female character, the personification spirit for Rahxephon. And as I said, I don't have any intention to use or build this together with this handset, because I want to change the hand, and I don't like building this lady here. And finally, last but not least, the beam weapons, the beam arrows with its beam bow and beam saber or blades that we will put on the forearms. And we got this beam parts for the hands or extremities, I think, and so on. As always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. And we have here this semi-gold part here with the pre-painted portion there, which is runner K. And we got the brown runners here for runner F, runner G, and runner J for the inner frame parts or joint parts. We got this indigo blue or purplish blue runner here for the head, torso, and I think this one for the legs or arms, which is runner I and runner H. And there we got the pre-painted portions there for the head, for the forehead in this runner I, and for the white parts, which is the majority of this kit, or majority color of this kit. We got this runner D for armor pieces. We got this runner B here for torso parts, and I think this one for the arms, this runner B. And we got runner C for the leg armor pieces, runner C. And runner A, we got this head parts for the face. So we got 4 sets of face here, which is pre-painted, and we got pair of wings, the closed and the open one, and so for the head parts. And for the clear parts, which is the reason why I bought this kit, it's because I really like kits with clear parts that serves as their weapon, and it looks hot, to be honest. And this is runner L. We got here the bow portion, excuse me, and runner N for the other half of the bow, and this one for the beam on the wrist. It's like a beam blade. And we got this beam arrow, which is very nice. It's my first time to see an arrow in a model kit. And I didn't open this 2 runners here for the hands, and this figure here for the lady. I forgot the name of this lady, but don't have any intentions of building this. By the way, I now remember the facial feature of this kit has something to do, or has a resemblance with the Pop Team Epic, or the Super PP Mibari. Yeah, it looks like the Super PP Mibari and the Brave series, the face from the Brave Mecha series. So again, thank you very much for watching this unboxing of the Moderoid Rahxephon from the anime Rahxephon itself. Okay, see you next time. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, take care, and happy building. Masalama, auf Wiedersehen, paalam sa inyo lahat.